Students, exercise 6.5 today. Listen the question. Find the parametric form of vector equations and the Cartesian equation of the straight line passing through the point 5, 2, 8 and is perpendicular to the straight lines r vector of equal to I vector plus j vector minus k vector plus s of 2i minus 2j plus k vector. And r vector is equations is given that here. So now first we consider the one line and the passing and the point in a straight line through the passing through the point 5, 2, 8. Okay, next we take the b vector. You know that r vector equal to a vector plus I b vector. So b vector 2i vector minus 2j vector plus k vector. Next here in this equation d vector. D vector என்னது I vector plus 2j vector plus 2k vector. Okay, A vector, B vector, D vector. Then the angles through the mod B vector cross D vector. How to find the B vector cross D vector? You know the cross product and dot product already I teach you. Dot product la I vector dot I vector equal to 1. I vector dot j vector equal to 0. Cross product la I vector cross j vector. So now we find the matrix method. We use I vector, j vector, k vector. Okay, what is your B vector value? 2 minus 2 plus 1. Next, what is the D vector value? 1 minus plus 2 plus 2. Okay, now we multiply, we find the determinant of matrix. I vector of minus 2 into plus 2 in our minus 4 minus 2 plus minus j vector of 2 2s are 4 minus 2. 2 1s are 2 plus k vector of okay, that is equal to minus 6i vector minus j minus 3j vector plus 6k vector. Then next we find the Cartesian equations. So equation of AB. R vector equal to A vector plus TB vector. You know equations 5, 2, 8 base பண்ணி passing through the point I use பண்ணி கொண்டு வரோம். R vector equal to 5i vector plus 2j vector plus 8k vector plus t into what is your B vector, ma'am? Here minus okay, in the 6i minus 3j plus 6k vector நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். So now we multiply R vector of 5i vector plus 2j vector plus 8k vector. We use this d vector into what is that 2i vector plus j vector plus minus 2k vector okay so x minus x1 x the equation of the x minus x1 by b1 equal to y minus y1 by b2 equal to z minus z1 by b3. What is your b1 2 b2 என்பது 1 and b3 என்பது minus 2. Okay, இப்படி எழுதலாம். That's all your answer. Okay.